Hey, what's up, YouTube? This is my third update on my fish. I already did a review on my two red platies right there. I got two of them, and my tiger barb right there. He's been sitting there for a long time. I don't know why, but he's like staying in one spot. And I also got three more fish. I got a rainbow shark right there. If you can see it, I got a rainbow shark. And then I got the algae eater in the back. I don't know if you can see him. He's in there. Oh, there you go. He's right there. The algae eater. And there, I already told you about the filter and the heater right there. Pre-made heater, so like it's already built in. Like it comes on and cups up by itself. That's what I'm trying to say. And there's the thermometer. It is now 76 degrees or 78 degrees, one of those. And I added 2 rocks from outside. I washed them out. So yeah, pretty good setup.